Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Aksoul self-inflating sleeping pad. That's really cool for camping and, as you can see, for the beach. It is around about 4 inches thick, it's compact, it's ultralight. It's a sleep mattress with built-in inflatable pump, which is really easy to use, as you can see. We have a pump included. That means we can not lose the pump. That means it is integrated. That's a really big, nice fact for this sleeping pad here. And at the same time, it's lightweight and durable. And there is more. It's connectable, so you can buy 2 of them and then you connect them each other. That's really cool. I think that's a good idea by Aksoul. This air sleeping mat is really good for backpacking, for hiking, and of course for every outdoor activity, because you does not need any power supply. Everything what you need is included. We have high quality nylon, 40D plus 60D, 4.7 inches thick for optimal comfort. This self-inflating camping mat measures 78.7 to 26 to 4.7 inches after being fully inflated. 4-inch thickness can afford excellent back support and effectively isolate cold and damp ground, hard rocks, and rough camping conditions, ensuring us a more comfortable sleep while we are outdoor. Thus, we can be ready for our trip the next day. We have a built-in food pump for quick inflation. This inflatable sleeping pad here for tents, for example, is equipped with a foot pump. No need to blow up mouth or inflate with an air pump. But if you have an electronic air pump, you can use it with that device too, no problem. We just stomp on the built-in foot pump to inflate the falling sleeping pads, which only takes round about 2 or 3 minutes. Then we can start our camping adventure. Easy going, baby. We create a double bed if you like. The sides of this compact camping mattress are designed with connecting snaps, so when we travel with our friends, we can easily connect 2 sleeping mattresses together to form a double bed. Extra wide space allows us to lie on our back or side comfortably. Also, it makes it large enough for family to sit, rest, and sleep. And double-sided camping pad here. Both sides of the sleeping pad are made of different materials with different R values. Here it comes with a gray and blue side. It's also on the market with, for example, a green and a gray side. For example, the green or gray side comes with 2 up to 3 or 3 up to 4 R values to prevent the heat loss to the floor, thus meeting our different insulation needs in summer and in autumn. Meanwhile, adapts the premium heavy-duty nylon to ensure reliable quality here. Ultralight and portable it is too. The camping airbed weighs only 2.4 pounds after being deflated and folded. We can roll up the mat and pack it in to the included storage bag. Then it fit it in our car, backpack, or suitcase for easy carrying. Perfect, really perfect for trekking, for traveling, for nice vacation journeys on the beach, for fishing, for music festivals, and so on. Aksoul is committed to altering the monotonous urbanism of citizens and keeping them more into nature to heal their soul. A means A class security and superior quality. K represents that Aksoul is keen to meet requirements of each customer, just as the soul is as important to a living being. Aksoul, which purports to provide premium products for us, is also an integral part of people who love the outdoor and, of course, the nature. This mattress here is compact and lightweight. The camping airbed weighs only 2.4 pounds after being deflated and folded up. We can roll up the mat and pack it into the storage bag. Then it fits in really nearly backpack. It's really cool for camping, for picnicking, and of course for traveling. For example, in our tent. The length is 28 centimeters to 11 inches of the package of kit. The width is 10 centimeters to 4 inches. The weight is 890 grams, for example, roundabout. These are nearly 2 pounds. And inflated 12 centimeters, that are 4.7 inches, to 196 centimeters, that are 77 inches, and 65 centimeters or 26 inches. On the market, there are two options of this device. One, for example, for girls out there, 5 feet 6 inches, they will use the 77 to 26 inches mattress. And if you're a little bit larger, so that means 6 feet, round about 183 centimeters, there choose the 79 to 28 inches model. You can see it's really easy to inflate because the pump is included, and it's really easy to storage it again because we can remove easily the air out of it, and then we can roll it up, tighten it, and get it back into the bag. And this bag matches in our nearly every bag out there. You can see that's a really cool solution for backpacking, for hiking, for outdoor activities, for camping, and for chilling in the garden, for example. Really cool. You can use both sides of it, yes, of course. And it's so comfortable if you lay flat on it, on the side. If you make a little bit workout on it, no problem, it will hold you in position. This is the Aksoul self-inflating sleeping pad for camping. 4 inches thick, it's compact, ultralight, it's a sleeping mattress with a built-in inflatable pump. It's lightweight and durable, and it's connectable. This is a really cool fact. This is a cool thing. This is an air sleeping mat for backpacking, for hiking, for indoor and outdoor activities with all what you need included. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.